In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your shortcut drawing toolbar in TradingView. This handy feature allows you to maximize efficiency by placing your most frequently used tools just a click away. So, whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started with charting, having your tools easily accessible can save you time and streamline your workflow. Let's begin by diving into our TradingView chart. You'll notice a main toolbar located on the left-hand side of the screen. This is your starting point for accessing the entire array of drawing tools available on TradingView. The main toolbar is divided into categories such as trend lines, Gann and Fibonacci, and others, each holding specific tools that you might find useful depending on your charting needs. To open the drawing tool menu, simply click on any category. For instance, if you often use Fibonacci tools, click on that category to reveal its individual tools. Now here's the fun part, customizing your favorites. When you hover your mouse over a tool you frequently use, such as a trend line or a retracement level, you'll see a small gray star icon next to it. Clicking this star adds the tool to your favorites toolbar, creating a quick access bar for your selected tools. As you continue adding tools, you'll see a new toolbar appear on your chart labeled the Favorites toolbar. This toolbar becomes visible as soon as you add your first favorite tool and acts as a shortcut area where you can store all the drawing tools you use most often. You can repeat this process for each tool you want in your favorites. This ensures that you're only one click away from the tools you frequently use, eliminating the need to sift through categories every time. Now, as much as we love adding, sometimes we need to take away. If you wish to remove a tool from your favorites, go to its category in the main toolbar, hover over the tool, and click the star icon again. The star will turn from solid to hollow, indicating that the tool that has been successfully removed from your favorites toolbar. This feature is extremely useful for refining your toolbar to only include the necessities, keeping your workspace clutter-free and conducive to productivity. Having all your necessary tools in a centralized location is fantastic, but we can take it a step further. The favorites toolbar itself can be relocated simply by clicking and dragging it to a position that feels most intuitive for you. Whether you prefer it at the top, bottom, or towards the center of your chart, simply click and drag it to your desired location. By following these steps, you can customize your TradingView chart efficiently and effectively to ensure a seamless trading session with minimal hassle. I hope this guide helps you create a more productive charting environment. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.